Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest car reviews and updates. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic American muscle cars of all time, the Ford Mustang. Whether you're a longtime fan or someone new to the muscle car scene, this one's going to excite you. The Ford Mustang has always represented raw power, bold styling, and a legacy that stretches back to the 1960s. And today, it's evolved into something that still holds on to that heritage, but with modern tech, better performance, and aggressive styling that turns heads wherever it goes. Let's start with the exterior. The Mustang is instantly recognizable with its long hood, short deck, and aggressive stance. It's got that wide, low-slung front grille that screams performance. The LED headlights are sleek, and the sculpted body lines give it a muscular, ready-to-pounce look. Whether you go for the coupe or the convertible, the Mustang has undeniable street presence. Under the hood is where things get really exciting. The Mustang comes with a range of engines, starting from the 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged four-cylinder that offers solid power and great fuel efficiency, all the way up to the 5.0-liter V8 in the GT model that delivers serious performance. That V8 roars to life with over 450 horsepower and gives you that classic Mustang growl. There's also the Shelby variants for those who crave track-level power and speed. But even the standard GT offers a thrilling driving experience. The Mustang feels like you're behind the wheel of a true performance machine. The rear-wheel drive layout, tight suspension, and optional MagneRide adaptive dampers give it excellent handling. It grips the road well in corners and launches hard in a straight line. Whether you're cruising the highway or tearing up some back roads, it's hard not to smile when you're driving this beast. Step inside the cabin and you'll notice a mix of retro and modern styling. The cockpit is driver-focused with toggle switches, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and available Recaro seats that hug you tight. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable and adds a futuristic vibe to the interior. You also get Ford's SYNC infotainment system with a responsive touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and available premium audio for those long drives. In terms of practicality, the Mustang isn't the most spacious vehicle, especially in the backseat, but that's expected in a car like this. The trunk space is decent for a sports coupe, and the front seats are comfortable for everyday use. If you're using it as a daily driver, the EcoBoost model gives a good balance of power and fuel economy, while the GT offers more muscle for those weekend drives or car meets. Safety has come a long way in the Mustang too. Newer models offer advanced features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. It's great to see Ford adding these features to keep you safe while still delivering performance. Overall, the Ford Mustang continues to be a symbol of American performance. It's powerful, stylish, customizable, and fun to drive. Whether you go with the Turbo EcoBoost for efficiency or the V8 GT for that thunderous muscle car experience, the Mustang gives you serious value for money and a driving experience that few cars in its price range can match. So if you're in the market for a car that blends old-school soul with modern-day tech, the Ford Mustang is still one of the top choices out there. It's not just a car, it's a legend on wheels. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Are you team EcoBoost or GT? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more car reviews, comparisons, and auto news. See you in the next video.